This thing, guys, from a different level, people. Okay? It is in this box. There's nothing in the box but the battery, so that's not important. But look at this 5.0. I gotta take a look at the structure here, feel everything. Let's see if it's charged. It is charged. Comparing this to the OEM Milwaukee, the Milwaukee does have a shock thing on there, but you see how it flops around? These tend to crack, so I've been looking for a replacement. We'll put it definitely to the test. Alright guys, so we're currently at the salvage yard. Anytime I'm at a salvage yard, I always bring my Vanon 5.0 18 volt lithium ion battery. Now here's why. Because when you're working on a truck like this trying to pull a bench out, you know that you can only trust few batteries. And I trust Well guys, the conclusion is simple. My name is Vlad, and this is the final thoughts on this battery. This right here is a Vanon 5 amp hour battery. It's the 18 volt and it does fit my Milwaukee power tool. So, you feel the power? Yeah, that's right. That's just the tool that I use. It needs to be thrown around. It needs to be worked hard. Now, if you want to pack a punch, think again about getting a Vanon battery. Because, you know what? It is a number 2 alternative for your needs.